Like the beam of a spotlight on your beaming faces, we faculty consider BYM America, that is the best youth musical in America competition, to be one of the greatest achievements.
Oh man, can you believe this?
Shh, this is important.
Remind me why one of Mrs. Darbus' monologues is important.
Because we are not only going to enter this contest, we're going to win it. I'm signing up all 6 of us as a team.
What?
And so dear Wildcats, you may find the sign-up sheet in the hallway outside the theater.
That's my cue. Toodles, Cro-Magnons. And see you at rehearsals.
I don't know, Troy, that competition is great for the drama club people, but we need to focus on this season. West High isn't just going to sit back.
Yeah, we have to practice, but it shouldn't stop us from entering BYM2. I saw you at the talent show, you are a natural. Plus, it would give me a chance too.
I know. Spend some more time with Gabriella, express your newfound identity as East High's Renaissance genius, deep stuff like that.
Whatever, none of that's gonna stop my pull-up jumper best out of 7 starting right now. You better get your head in the game.
Chad, you said you'd practice this song with me.
Well done, Wildcats.
Hooray. We did it.
Hooray, we did it.